Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill's Lazy Pizza Day. Today we're gonna make pineapple and smoked sausage pizza. First we're gonna start with this courgette dough, and it's pre-made. Of course we're gonna use some smoky beer barbecue sauce, and just a little bit. I think about 1 or 2 tablespoons. Now let's smear this out, and it's just there for some extra flavor. Oh man, that isn't enough. Alright, that shall do it. And yes, I really love this sauce. What's your favorite sauce? Let me know in the comments. Now some cheddar cheese. Oh yes, cheddar cheese. That always makes me happy to put cheddar on a pizza. Now the smoked sausage. And you've seen this before on our previous pizza. We really like this sausage, so we're gonna pair it nicely with some pineapple. And I really cut up the pineapple small, so we can put a lot on it. Oh yes, it's so colorful and delicious. Sausage and pineapple. And yes, I know there are people that don't like pineapple on a pizza. And there are a lot of people that do like pineapple on a pizza. So yes, we're just gonna do it. I also added some more cheddar. Now this will go in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes on 200 degrees. Oh yes, let's do this. Now look at that. Delicious. Pineapple and smoked sausage pizza. Oh man, that's really a tongue breaker. But hey, it's gonna be amazing. And yes, we like it. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel. If you're new, give me a like, leave me a comment. And as always, see you next time.